Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to bake some chocolate Genoise sponge. Start off by preheating your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Then put a bowl with eggs and sugar over a pot of boiling water. Whisk this together until it is thick. Remove from the heat and then continue whisking until it is thick, creamy and light in color like this. Put the flour and cocoa powder in a bowl and then mix it together. Then sift this mixture into the egg mixture and fold it in with a spatula and mix until it's nice and smooth. So you just use this technique, you just fold it like this until it's all mixed in. And then add in some vanilla extract and melted butter and mix it again with your spatula. Just fold it in until all your butter is mixed in. Divide the mixture between the 3 prepared cake tins and bake in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Test with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, they are ready. Leave them in the cake tins for about 5 minutes and then remove them and put them on a cooling rack to cool completely. The cakes are nice and fluffy. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.